Hi and welcome back to my channel, Julep's Garden. It's nearing the end of June and we're here at Home Depot. I thought I'd bring you along and we can check out what things they have going on sale. So starting off, they have these daisies. They were $9.98 and now they're going down to $6.98. And they have these pretty bright pink cranberry colors. They have the yellows and they have all these. Look how pretty. They have all these petunias. They were $9.98 and they're going to be going down to $6.98. So they have the Vigoro perennials for going down from $9.98 to $8.98. So you get about $1 off, and they have baby balm. Look at these pretty colors. They have these little bowls with vinca. They were $14.98 and now they are $9.88. And these would do good in a bright sunny spot. They have these big begonia containers. They used to be $24.98. Now they're $19.88. So they're about 20 bucks now. And they come with a pot. The good thing about, annuals is that they will continue to bloom until the first frost. So like for our area, that's October. So you still get a good 3 months of blooms. And begonias can do sun or shade. They have this Ixora bush. It was $16.98 and it is going down to $12.74. And it looks like it gets these little flowers. And this one has these flowers. They have these big begonias with a good sized container. They're dropping from $9.98 to $6.98. They even have them in white. It's a 2.5 quart size. They have these hibiscus standard trees. They're dropping from $29.98 to $18.74. However, these are only hardy to 30 degrees. They also have the hibiscus in the shrub form that's dropping from $19.98 to $14.98. Again, these are only cold hardy to 30 degrees. And here they have these crepe myrtles. They're the black diamond crepe myrtle going down to $19.98. Here we have 2-gallon knockout roses going down from $26.98 to $19.98. So this is supposed to be a high flowering, like lots of flowers, and easy maintenance rose. And then here they have these non-patent roses going from $29.98 to $19.98 for 3-gallon. They have all these petite knockout roses. Depending on the size, this one's $26.98 and it's going down to $19.98 for a 2-gallon. Or you can get the smaller ones, like this is a 1-gallon from $19.98 to $14.98. And they even have just very small ones over here from $16.98 to $12.74 for the 2-quart. Proven winter roses are on sale. They were $29.98, now they're $22.48. Look at these. They have Señorita, Oh So Easy Lemon Zest. They have Oh So Easy Hot Paprika and Oh So Easy Double Pink. You can get 2-gallon Encore Azaleas. They're going down from $29.98 to $14.98 and these are reblooming. So you might even get a bloom this fall. So you can get any of these 1-gallon hostas that are normally $8.98 for $4. I think that's really good, and they have still a nice selection of different ones. Look how pretty this one is, blooming. And I love hostas, the variations, how they can pop against each other's. They also have this Creeping Jenny. It was $3.48. Now you can get it for $1.74. And Creeping Jenny is a great ground cover if you can't grow grass and you want just a green area. It spreads quickly, it roots quickly. You do have to maintain it, so don't put it if you have just limited space. They actually have some patio furniture on sale too. They have these stack chairs, Rosemont stack chairs, going down from $129 to $99. They look really nice quality. And they have this one, a wicker stack chair, going down from $89 to $79. So you can see the quality here. And it has a nice cushion. They have these more simple chairs going down from $24.98 to $19.98. They have this really pretty bench going down to $99 each. I really like this. We have these pretty white rocking chairs going down from $129 to $99. These are so pretty for a front porch. And then these are actual wood Adirondack, I can never say that, going down from $99 to $79. This table is $100 off from $749 to $649. It's a 7-piece, and the umbrella is going down from $129 to $99 for the umbrella. This table set is going down from $599 to $399, and it's a 5-piece. This table is really nice. It comes with this little bench and the kind of wicker type of furniture, and it's going down from $9.99 to $7.99 for a 6-piece. This table from $2.99 to $2.49. This little set, it has a little table and these 2 side chairs. It's going down from $5.99 to $4.79. They have this little set for $4.99. They have this glass dining table. It's 60 by 38, going down from $119 to $49. They also have this little white table going from $64 to $59. And then these chairs are going down to $39 from $49. It seems like they're having, it says, summer savings 60% off online patio. And they also have the little annual like tomatoes and herbs, 3 for $10. And they also have 50% off all Simpson trees, fruit, flowering, and shade trees. So if you've been looking to add some trees, these can be a little bit more pricey. This would be a good time to find the trees you're looking for. Okay guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and hopefully it gives you an idea of what things may start to go on sale in your area or coming up in your area. Also, it might help you just to see what plants start to go on sale at what point of the year. So like always, if you enjoy my content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.